The Fluke Network's MicroMapper allows you to test your RJ45 terminated cable for a variety of issues. The remote stores conveniently in the bottom of the unit. Plug one end of the cable into the unit and the other end into the remote, and turn the switch to the middle position. Then press the test button. The MicroMapper then tests each pair within the cable for shorts, reverse pairs, and miswires. The MicroMapper can even test for split pairs, helping you avoid potentially disastrous situations. When set to the toner option, the MicroMapper sends out an analog tone that can be detected by the Pro 3000 and IntelliTone Pro 200 probes. The MicroMapper from Fluke Networks.